Are you an empty nester looking for a side hustle? If so, this video is for you. I'm going to tell you about 3 work from home opportunities that you may be able to take advantage of just to bring some extra money in. So let's get into it. The first position we're going to look at is a work from home call center representative, and this is advertised by Randstad. Now let's get into the details. Here's a summary of the position. It pays between $15 and $16 an hour. It's temp to perm, and you need high school education only. They're currently working with a reputable company in efforts to fill several work from home customer service positions. Details of these positions are below. If you're interested in this position, you must submit a resume. You must be available for an 8-hour shift between 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. Monday through Friday. The pay is $15 an hour during training and $16 after training. Your responsibilities will include handling incoming complex calls or outbound appointments, offering compassion and empathy, while using exceptional listening skills to identify customers' needs. You're going to resolve customers' needs related to clarification on customer-specific benefit plans or program options. You're going to document all inbound and outbound calls and summarize calls in the case management system, as well as adapt to and implement ongoing training as the company grows and develops in the healthcare consumerism industry. So they are looking for first shift. Requirements: 1 year customer service in the medical field, insurance verification, or high level overview of patients or customers' benefit plans. Good verbal and written communication skills, dependable and able to adhere to a schedule, effective problem solving, listening skills, customer service orientation, and attention to detail. Here are the work from home requirements. You must have a laptop or desktop computer with Windows 10 or better, USB headset to plug into the computer, hardwired internet using an Ethernet cable. Skills: telephone etiquette, active listening, customer service, call center support, client service. And pretty much those are the requirements for this position with Randstad. The second position we're going to look at is a work at home customer service representative with Sagility. This is Work at Home Georgia, but I'd like to point out that they have several of these work at home customer service representatives positions in different states. You just have to click right here where it says current openings. So let's scroll down to the job title and the requirements. Work at home customer service representative. Job description: join Sagility, a leader in healthcare solutions, and help us make a difference in people's lives. So it's a healthcare company, or they work with healthcare companies. Let's look at the key responsibilities. Efficiently handle incoming calls and manage customer service queries and concerns. Conduct detailed research to resolve issues effectively. Document all interactions accurately. Maintain professionalism and empathy in all communications. Here are the benefits. Competitive pay starting at $14 an hour with performance-based incentives. If you're bilingual, it's $15 an hour. You get paid training, comprehensive health benefits after 90 days, programs focused on employee wellness and engagement, and real opportunities for career growth. 90% of their leaders began in this role. What they're looking for: a commitment to excellence and high quality, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. So it's like repeating itself. Let's go down to the requirements. You must be at least 18 years old with a high school diploma or equivalent, proven experience in customer service, role preferred, reliable and punctual with a positive attitude and team-oriented mindset, effective written and verbal communication skills, and you must have a secure home office setup with a reliable internet connection. So They're located in the United States of America, and you will click here to apply for this job. The third position we're going to look at is Customer Service Associate with NABIS. That's NABIS. NABIS is the #1 licensed cannabis B2B platform in the world with the largest portfolio of cannabis brands, supplying over 300 brands to 99% of California's dispensaries. Now, let's look at the requirements for the role. The customer service associate's primary role is to act as an extension of the NABIS operation, actively aligning the goals of our brands and retail partners with day-to-day operations. I will not read all of this to you. You can pause to read. Let's go down to the responsibilities. They want you to provide white glove support to both internal and external NABIS partners, such as brands and retailers. Support customer experience managers with ad hoc projects. General assistance of operation managers. Execute several inbound and outbound calls, emails, and chats. Maintain response times, missed call rates, and other KPIs at a rate equivalent to or above the team's average. Monitor communications to help keep other departments informed and responsive. Work with various internal and external stakeholders to champion partners' needs and drive towards solutions that improve partner success, and identify and escalate issues to the appropriate channels. The desired skills: associate degree or 2 years relevant experience in customer service, ability to work occasional evenings and weekend shifts, basic math skills, strong communication, high level of patience and empathy, ability to communicate between departments, experience with de-escalation and client retention, basic knowledge of payments and collections, keen awareness of understanding, low ego, willingness to learn new software and platforms. You must be adaptable. You must be able to multitask. Having experience with cannabis is a plus, and the ability to pass the pre-employment background check. And if you're interested, you'll come here and click apply now, and you'll be on your way.